Hey guys, welcome back. So today we will talk about how to make money on Clickbank using Facebook lookalike audiences. So many beginners struggle with how to make money on Clickbank because they don't know how to drive high converting traffic to their affiliate offers. They either waste money on ads targeting the wrong audience or rely on organic methods that take too long to show results. So one of the best ways to generate targeted traffic and maximize conversions is by using Facebook lookalike audiences. So this will help you to find people similar to those who have already engaged with your Clickbank affiliate product that you want to promote. So making it easier to convert them into buyers. So I will show you step by step on how to set up Facebook lookalike audience using data or hash lists from your Clickbank product vendor. First, make sure to contact your Clickbank affiliate product vendor and ask for hash list. And once that hash list was provided to you, just download it in your computer. Then I will show you how you can upload it into your audiences on Facebook. So you will see here, this one is a lookalike audience and another lookalike audience here. So first is just go here, you will see create audience, click this drop down arrow, click custom audience. Choose customer list, click next, and then just here click next. So this is where you will upload your audience list. So make sure that it is in CSV or text files. Click this choose file on your device and then just go to your customer list. So in this case, I will just pick one of the list here that I have available. So I'll just pick this one and then click open. You will see it here, it's uploaded. You will see here, does your file include a column for customer value? Just click this no. And here you can just click next. And you will see this red alert, more identifiers needed. So just go here, you will see action needed. Just click this action needed and go here. You will see this drop down arrow. Click this drop down arrow and click email and click import and create. You already uploaded your customer list and then just click this done. So this is the customer list that I've just uploaded. So it's still populating. So once this one is ready, you will see it ready. And if you want to learn more, I have this affiliate marketing Clickbank success guide on how to make money on Clickbank. So here in Udemy. So you can just check my curriculum here if this is for you. You can also have a free sneak peek here to see what to expect inside. And you can apply here the discount coupon, enter the coupon here to get a better price from me. So just check the link below this video. Looking forward to seeing you inside.